Hey friends, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. All right, so how you doing, guys? Okay, so I'm so happy to talk to you today. All right, so in today's video we want to talk about Dogecoin. All right, based on popular demands, and I want to talk about Dogecoin, what is happening in Dogecoin, what to expect. All right, so if you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly do so. Smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. All right, so what is going on, guys? How is your portfolio doing? All right, anytime we have a very massive run, like Dogecoin actually surprised a lot of guys, it made a lot of gains here for smart guys. Okay, so over, let's say, 623% in two days. 2 days, 623% in 2 days. It just took candle here. Okay, so 626% in 2 days. So that's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. All right, so even if you miss out buying of Dogecoin, a lot of guys are, should I buy now? Okay, so now my analysis is based on what the market is telling us, okay, not what anybody might be saying. We're expecting, for every investor, our primary aim is to make money. But even though that you want to make money, you still need to consider the market and what the market is telling you. Is the market willing to give you the money? All right, so let's dive in. Now, if you look at this, the market is just doing what it's got to do, and at least we're expecting 50% retracement of this level, which is like it's almost there. Now we have different markets. This is Doge BTC, okay? This is Doge BTC. So if I should go back to 4 hours, now it would interest you to see that the market has not completed the corrective structure. So we're expecting a spike here. Might be spike, might be sluggish, whichever one, and for it to be completed. So we're expecting at least let it break out of this range. Okay, so don't be in a haste to buy until this happen. So once market break out of this range, then you can be able to ride on for the next wave. But what if something like this happen? Okay, what if something like this happen and down you go? What if something like this happen and down you go? So should we expect something like this? Well, there's something I saw in this Dogecoin that I just want to draw your attention to. Okay, especially for Dogecoin. Every market has their own characteristics. Every market has their own characteristics. It's not about the bull run. It's when it's retracing. Does it give up all the gains? Now, let's take a look of what the characteristics of Dogecoin. Let me go to this is a weekly chart of Dogecoin since 2014. Now look at this chart. This is Bitcoin Doge BTC. Okay, if you look at this chart, does it looks healthy? That's the question. Does it look healthy? Now the answer is no, it doesn't. This chart doesn't look healthy at all. Okay, because it spikes and it gives up. It spikes, it gives up the whole gain. It spikes, it gives up the whole gain. What if it starts repeating itself? Who knows? Okay, so Doge does not keep the gain. It gives off the gain. But there's something also that you should consider. That is, this is Doge BTC. Doge BTC. Now let's go to Doge USD. Doge USD. And see what actually is going on. Now, Doge USD, the chart looks more healthier than this. So in Doge USD, is breaking all-time high. Okay, it's breaking all-time high. But this is not all-time high. You can see the all-time high in Doge. Who knows? It was even falling from up. So you can see that. So it depends on the markets you are trading. So you should focus on the pairs you are trading. So you shouldn't confuse yourself, because that's many guys are asking, they are trading this to this and BTC to Dogecoin or USD to Dogecoin. So whichever one you are trading, you just focus on this. And if you want my advice on it, anytime market is on bull run, I trade BTC pairs, but during the bearish market, I trade USD pairs. Okay, so that's by the way. So now if you check out the BTC pairs, you find out that Dogecoin hasn't broken the all-time high. Okay, but if you come to USD, since 2015, find that Dogecoin has now broken the all-time high. Okay, so now, and this chart looks more healthier than the BTC. So let's focus our analysis on this. So looking at what has transpired or happened in the past, how many years, 2018 to date, you find out that Dogecoin actually, it has been consolidating for a very long time. Okay, and that's it. It consolidating for a very long time. So which is okay, which looks healthy. So which looks healthy apart from this spike here, then there you go. So this is a very standard healthy chart. Okay, it's a very healthy chart. So if that's the case, you can go scale down and see what is happening on USD pairs, or it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So what we are waiting for now. So the first thing you need to bear in mind is let this corrective structure be completed. Okay, let it be completed, and the only thing you need to watch out for is let this line break. Okay, so who knows, anything can go wrong here, anything can happen, it can spike here. I think it's the same thing with the BTC pairs, just the same thing. All right, so watch out for this, and then we'll now see the next wave we can ride. Okay, so for now, 2030, as of 30th of January, which is today, the market is still not, the corrective structure is still not completed. Okay, it's still not completed. So, but if you believe so much in Dogecoin, why not? You can jump in and let's see what goes on. But as a trader like myself, I always enter the market anytime the market tells me so. So looking at Dogecoin now, it's not telling me to enter. So I don't know your own strategy. I'm just trying to share my strategy with you. So kindly use your own strategy to judge the market and see what it tells you. All right, guys. So that's just what we be able to take today. That Dogecoin is still consolidating for this massive move. This move is awesome. This move is massive. A lot of guys make a lot of money. Anyway, I wasn't in Dogecoin. I didn't buy Dogecoin. Okay, I didn't buy Dogecoin. So because most of these I call them crappy coins, but you can see those crappy coin can be your savior. Okay, it can be your savior. So this is 50% of the move, which are, so we are looking at, let's say, the golden ratio, the golden ratio, which is 0.618, is just bouncing along that line, which you expect. So let's watch out how this thing plays out. Let's watch out how it plays out. But the only thing that you should be watching out for most, especially that is very, very important now, is for this, no matter what, let it break this low. Okay, if you can really test this low, okay, if you can really test this low, then I think that should be a very good chance to buy. Anytime you retest this low, anytime it breaks this low, that will be a very good time for us to enter for the next run of the market. All right, guys, so kindly subscribe to this channel, because I am willing and I'm ready to help a lot of guys analyze the chart accurately, tell you where the market is going at a particular time, and there we go. So kindly subscribe, and if you have a request of me analyzing a market for you, any market, just send it to me, and I'll be glad to help you out, to show you where the market is going. All right, so let's help this community to grow by subscribing and sharing the video to your friend. Thank you, and have a nice